Chinese eggplant and tofu dish is a delicious and satisfying gravy dish to serve with a side of rice or noodles. If you thought eggplant is a boring, bland vegetable, then I'm going to share one tip today. If you follow that, you can make perfect tasting eggplant each single time. Hello friends, my name is Rekha. Welcome to my tasty curry recipes. With this spicy Chinese eggplant and tofu recipe, the dinner is on the table in less than 30 minutes. So let's see how to make this simple, delicious and easy recipe in few quick steps. First, I start by chopping fresh ginger. You need to chop the ginger finely, almost to the minced consistency is good. Next, I am going to slice some eggplants or aubergines. I have taken long Chinese eggplants that are perfect for this recipe. But if you cannot find them, you can use the regular ones. But make sure to slice them like this. The pieces should not be too thick or too thin. Now comes the crucial part. For the perfectly seasoned eggplants, always salt them first. Sprinkle salt and rub it gently. Now keep the eggplants aside for 20 minutes. This will release the water and then eggplant won't taste bitter and also will absorb lesser oil while you are cooking them. Also chop some spring onions and keep the chopped up white parts and green parts separate. To cook, add about a tablespoon of oil in a pan and add chopped white part of the onions, ginger and garlic paste. Saute them for a few seconds and then add green chilies, red chili flakes. Stir everything well. Now add bean paste, soy sauce, red chili sauce. Cook them for a few seconds and then add half cup of water. Simmer it. Now add drained out eggplants, discard the water to remove the bitterness and mix these eggplants with sauces to combine them well. See that if you want more gravy, add a bit of more water. Now cover and cook eggplants for 5 to 7 minutes till these are softened. Do not overcook eggplants, otherwise they become mushy. For the perfect meaty texture, 5 to 7 minutes is enough. Now the eggplants are cooked, cut the tofu into cubes. You can use medium, medium firm or silken tofu as per your preference. I am adding medium firm tofu. Also add green onions and stir well to combine. You can add chili oil if you want. If you don't want that much heat, you can skip it, but I add it for a smoky taste. Simmer everything for 2 minutes. Our spicy eggplant tofu is ready. It's vegan, gluten-free, healthy, and most of all, it tastes delicious. To serve, add chopped green onions and garnish with chili oils and some sesame seeds. I am serving this eggplant tofu over a warm bowl of steamed rice for a comforting meal. If you like the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your feedbacks in the comments below. I'll see you with another good recipe in the next episode. Till then, happy cooking!